In a treacherous blizzard, a courageous dog named Thor helps Viking warriors find their way home. Comment and follow if you want more videos. As the warriors grow weary, Thor spots a glimmer of hope in the distance, a village waiting to welcome them back. With every paw step, Thor encourages the warriors, guiding them closer to safety and warmth, reminding them that unity is strength. Finally safe, the Vikings celebrate their return with a grand feast, honoring Thor for his bravery and loyalty that led them home.